How do you get your license back after your DUI arrest in South Carolina? Hi, my name's Dale Savage and I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Charleston, South Carolina. And today I'm going to talk to you about what you can do to get your license back after your DUI arrest. One of the first things I talk about with someone who comes and meets with me following their DUI arrest and their license suspension is what they can do to change the impact that DUI arrest is having on their life. And that begins by getting back your license to drive. If you refuse to provide a breath sample, or you provided a breath sample that registered greater than 0.15%, then your license was automatically and immediately suspended. During the booking process, the police officer will have given you a blue notice of suspension form, and you need to hang on to that form because it's very important. Now here's the most important part that's going to help you get your license back. You can challenge that license suspension, or preferably have your attorney challenge that suspension by requesting an administrative hearing using that notice of suspension form. This administrative hearing is separate and apart from your criminal court date, and it must be made within 30 days of your license suspension, or you lose that right. Once you make that request for that administrative hearing, the DMV will send you notice giving you the date and time of when that hearing is going to take place. Once you get that notice, you can take that form to any local DMV, providing that you have a South Carolina driver's license, and request what's called a temporary alcohol license. You should be able to walk out of the DMV that day with a license to drive. And that license to drive allows you to drive in the state of South Carolina day or night unrestricted for up to 6 months or until that administrative issue has been resolved. There are numerous reasons and legal challenges you can make to challenge that license suspension. If you win that hearing, then the license suspension is thrown out. If you lose, then the suspension will kick in as if you never made that request before. But the important part is you don't suffer any additional penalties for making that request, so it makes sense to go ahead and challenge that license suspension. If you have any questions about your license issues following your DUI arrest, please give me a call at 843-530-7813. And thanks for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful.